Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher Safawat Ansari. We are about to start a new topic, binary to hexadecimal system. But first of all, we have to understand this system, that what does it do or how does it work. So in hexadecimal system, there are the digits that 1 to 9 are the normal numbers, right? But after 9, if we find 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, there are other numbers than the 15, but according to the computer science Cambridge syllabus, we have this particular code, right? Means there are more than 15 numbers, but in the Cambridge syllabus of computer science we will only study till 15. So in hexadecimal, from the 10th number we have the code, like 10 has the value of A, 11 has the value of B, 12 has the value of C, then D, then E, and then F, right? So these are the values and these are the important codes that we have to remember, right? Now let's suppose there is a number. If I type a binary number, so this is our conversion. There are the 4 bits, means 1 nibble, and then we find it, right, 4 nibbles and then 4 nibbles, sorry, 4 bits and then 4 bits. 4 bits equals to 1 nibble, right? So these are the 8 bits, means we have got 1 byte, and then we have to convert this binary number into the hexadecimal, right? So how can we do it? First of all, we have to count how many bits do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? First step. Next step is that we have to pair 4 bits, right? 4 bits. Now we have divided, means we have paired 4 bits separately, right? Now what we have to do for our ease, I place number over it. Like you remember that we studied 1, 2, 4, 8 method. So in the same way, I place 1, 2, 4, 8 on each digit. So for your clarity, I must give some sort of space among the digits so you can understand easily, right? So you have to plus the numbers which contains only 1, right? Means 8 contains 1 and the 4 contains 1. Okay. So 8 contains 1 and the 4 contains 1, so we have to plus 8 plus 4 equals to 12. Now switch to the next bits. 1, 2, 4, 8. In the same way we have to perform the same task. Like we find 1, below 1 we find 8, and in the 8 we have got 1, right? So we can say that 1 is below the number 8, so we have to plus only those numbers which contains 1. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Now 9 is a general number, but we have to convert this 12, and the 12 code is, so we have got our answer, and that is, this is called hexadecimal number system. And for the base, of course this is a hexadecimal number system and its base is 16, so we can say that its base is 16. So this is our must be done, right? Now what if there are more than 8 bits? Let's try. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now we have 14 bits, right? So we have to divide it into the 4 bits. 1 2 3 4. I place it separately. 1 2 3 4. I place it separately, right? So we can easily create our groups. 1 2 3 4. So two numbers are here, but we have to make a pair of 4 bits. So for the balancing, we will place 2 zeros only, not the 1. If you want to balance your nibble, then you have to place only digit 0, not 1, right? So if we talk about this portion 0 0, so of course it is a 0, but we do not need to write on it. Now let's convert these 4 times 1. These 4 times 1, let's place 1248. If I place 1248 on it, then every 1248 digit has a 1 value, and if we plus them, then it becomes 15, right? So we have got the 15. Now in this section 1248, now we apply. So we find 1 under 1, and there's a 2, and below 2 there's a 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Now this 1248. Now plus the numbers which contains 1, 2 4 8. So 8 plus 4 12, and then plus 2 14. So we get the numbers, and the last stage is we have to convert it into the code. So the code of 14 is the E, 3 remains the same, and the code of 15 is F. So this is our hexadecimal number. I hope you understand the concept. Now next topic is its opposite, hexadecimal to binary. Now let's suppose if I get the number 4 5 A. So what we have to do, we have to place 3 digits separately. Now we have to make 4 in the binary, right? Okay. So it becomes its binary system. 0 means 4, 4 and plus 1 5, and 8 plus 2 10. Now we have to combine these digits 0 100, 0 1 0 1, and then 10 10. Binary. This is a base 2, right? This becomes binary. Same will be done, that 4 bits we have to make a group of 4 bits, and then it will form a binary digit, right? Let's suppose if we have more than 3 numbers. Let's suppose I take character B. So I have to make a B, of course. Remember the code of the B is a 11, right? So how can you make 11? 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. So you can place 10 11. I hope you found it useful, and I have shared the worksheet. You may check the description box and download the worksheet and try to solve the questions. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.